And hello guys, for just a short clip. Here I am, crew, Rick. I'm actually shaking doing this. I'm tagging as many as I can that I remember and what they are. Here are the coils for in Australia, the driver's side, or uneven, from 1 to 7 coils, 1 to 7 injectors. So I'm stripping them all the way back to the plug because they're not going to be needed anymore here, because I'm going to replace those. So no point keeping them in the engine bay. And this wire is 25 years old. It's okay, I guess, but it feels quite hard. Okay, it's not supple and soft anymore. So it's probably a good thing to replace it. Most of the plugs are broken and cracked, like the little latches that hold them on. Mostly they're all broken, gone brittle over time from heat. So yeah, I'm actually shaking doing this. I need to slow down, of course, because I always do things full speed. I need to relax and think about what I'm doing. But yeah, it's quite interesting that the injectors don't earth out. They get a positive, constant power supply, I've been told, and then for them to work, the injectors earth out. Just touch the screen and stop it. No, still going. Yes, they actually earth out. So what I thought was a combined earth apparently is a combined power supply, which I thought was quite interesting. So the computer earths it out to activate it. Instead of giving it a pulse of electricity, it earths it. I can't test it because I don't have a battery. Maybe I should put a battery in and get the voltage tester out and see if it's right. Seems unusual to me, but hey. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update on me destroying my harness. Catch you later.